right, so what you got there, Clark?
Looking up how much a fuel line clip set. 501.
I might have some used ones off of my car.
I've got...
Since you're stealing parts from my car to put on to this car. Hey, those J-hooks look pretty good.
All cleaned up, yeah.
Were they complete rusty
No, they weren't that bad.
beasts?
They weren't real bad.
Those came off of my 69 Charger.
I actually took them on the wire wheel.
Okay, look at
You're
this.
polishing the nuts?
Yeah.
Look at you polishing nuts.
See, we have these. That clips in the body and holds it. These are the
Yeah,
fuel line clips
Yep.
that came with it. I was thinking about buying new ones, but are these supposed to be black?
I bet you they were painted body color. Because I mean, this looks really cool how that line is all, but I think from the factory, I think all that stuff got sprayed.
Even the fuel line? Well, I'm not going to have it sprayed, of course.
No, this is going to look sweet.
But do I use these clips, paint them black, or leave them
Shiny.
shiny?
Al natural. Well, that looks rusty, so I wouldn't. That needs to be at least blasted.
I put them on the wire wheel.
Put it on the wire wheel.
Well, that still has a rust ring.
Right.
Yeah.
I'd say blast it. It'll go all kind of natural, and I'd shoot them black. I think that's the theme of your car is flat black. So
Well,
either powder coat them flat black or throw a quick.
Did you see the tank installation?
Yeah, it looks awesome.
See the rub? See the rubber?
Oh, you homebrewed out of my rubber.
We cut this.
I don't know where I got that rubber mat.
Okay, there's this away. And
I
then
used-
the body
should be
line
the
here,
one on the
right
top.
here. You can see that's got a wider one. It cradles that up against the body on rubber.
Oh, you
There's
put
rubber.
rubber underneath there too.
Rubber here and rubber here, so there's no vibration at
So
all.
when you get your 12-inch subwoofers in there, your gas tank don't rattle.
I was thinking when I'm getting a lot of tire hop from drag racing,
Oh, well, I'll get you
it
in
won't.
there.
It won't make a lot of noise.
You're an idiot.
And we got these put on, cleaned those up,
That looks pretty awesome.
clear coated the
All right.
bolts.
I approve. I approve this message.
Okay.
Yeah, that rubber, I don't know where I got it, the roll, but we're about out.
I was going to use these pads, but it's
They would hold
foam.
water. They would hold water. This is
They would hold water, yeah.
this is rubber. I used to make gaskets for the still when I was making moonshine. And that was the perfect gasket material instead of cork, because then you got to paste up your steel. You got to paste up your steel. And with that rubber, that makes a great gasket. See, and you can cut a circle out of it as wide as it was, and it seals completely. You don't have a break in your gasket. So that's all for now.